Happy autumn from central Vermont. This is definitely my favorite time of year here because everywhere you look, well, basically everywhere you look, there's just colors popping and booming, and it looks really absolutely gorgeous. And the weather's nice. There's just something good about the smell of the air. It's just a beautiful place. So I've come out here today to Groton State Forest to just take a nice walk through the woods because I really haven't done that lately, and I have barely taken a photograph in the last month or two. I've done a few maternity shoots with Dorothy. She's pregnant. This I think is my first time announcing that on this channel. She's pregnant and she's actually due in a few weeks. So it's been a very busy last few months. Haven't really been creating as much as I'd like to. I've been working on videos that I've already shot. I've got a bunch of stuff in the back burner. So I've got that stuff coming out soon. But I figured today I'm just gonna relax, take a nice stroll through the woods, get some photographs, and some video footage because I have a drone with me. So let's go. Alright, so I'm at the viewpoint Owl's Head here at Groton State Park. Just as gorgeous as I remember from last year, and it's not that bad of a hike. It's like 10 minutes if you get in the parking lot. If you come later in the season, they usually close the gate, and it's about a 30-minute walk to the parking lot and a 10-minute hike up. Still not terrible because the views are amazing. It is so gorgeous here. So I'm just here to relax a little bit and take some photos, take some videos, because there's been so much going on and I haven't been out to take photos in a while. So I've also brought my drone with me. I had the DJI Mavic Air. I don't think I've used it on this channel yet when this video is going to go live because I didn't have it until this summer, but I haven't been using it as much as I want to. So today I'm going to get that up in the air and hopefully get some epic footage because the colors do look very nice here and I'm sure they're going to look phenomenal from the sky. I don't think this will be my last time here this season just because we're not really in peak yet. It's currently September 30th, 2019, and the internet says that peak in Vermont should be October 10th-ish. So probably come back next weekend and check it out again because it's only about a 45-minute drive from my house. It's really not bad, but I'm gonna get set up and just kind of enjoy beautiful weather and the views. That was a great first flight. I'm gonna go find another takeoff point and probably take some photos in between, but that was really fun. Totally awesome up there. And if you're wondering, I'm using a ND16 polarizing filter on this drone here. These filters are super helpful. It's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I don't think I'd be able to fly at this time without compromising some settings without a filter like this. I do have two other ones. I got an ND8 and an ND32. I probably honestly could have used the 32 because I wound up shooting 60 frames per second instead of 24 because I wanted to get that 1/28th f-stop instead of the f50 because it's very bright up there and I was blowing out the sky completely. So I think for the next flight I'll probably slap on the 32. If you're interested in these filters, they're amazing filters. I'll have affiliate links from Amazon down in the description below. But let's take a walk and take some photos and then get this thing back up in the air. So I gotta be honest, when I came into the woods, I didn't really have a clear direction for this vlog. I just more so wanted to go into the woods, relax, shoot some photos, take some videos, fly the drone, and just talk about life, and we've done all that, so mission accomplished, everybody. But now I want to talk about what's going to happen moving forward, and moving forward with this channel. As I mentioned earlier, Dorothy is pregnant, and she's due in a few weeks. So she could really pop at any moment, and when that does happen, I'm going to have 6 weeks off of my job, as well as an additional 2 or 3 because I'm going to cash on my sick time. So I'm going to have at least a solid 2 months to priority focus on the baby and my family. But aside from that, since I won't have my job to focus on, I'm going to try to make this my job to focus on. I want to really buckle down and hyper focus on online content creation and see where this channel can go. I've got a ton of stuff planned, a lot of stuff in the back burner. So I'm really going to start pushing out content. You can expect to see a lot more from me. And it's just going to mean a lot to me personally to be able to finally focus on this, because I do care about this and I make time for it when I can. It's just a little difficult sometimes. There's no excuses. It is what it is. But not working full time and a little bit of overtime, I'm going to finally be able to focus on this channel and engaging with the community and really putting content together and pushing it out. But I'm not done today. I'm just chilling out here. It's gorgeous out. Vermont is beautiful. The mountains are beautiful. But I think I'm going to head down and walk around the lake a little bit. Alright, so I'm down by the pond now. This is Kettle Pond. It's also part of Groton State Park, and I've been around this loop before. It's a 3-mile loop. I'm not going to do the whole loop right now. I've only got an hour and change until sunset. I'm just going to walk in a little bit and just check out the area again. I haven't been here for a year, so just want to look at the terrain again, take a few photographs, and just enjoy nature and relax. And it's a very nice trail, so I definitely recommend if you're ever in Vermont, in Groton State Forest, don't skip Kettle Pond. It's a nice little 3-mile loop. But let's get in there now, and I might even try to use the drone one more time out here. I saved 1 battery just in case I could. Something's right there. Hopefully nothing too crazy. It's probably a bird. It's probably a bird. Or it's a bear. I have no idea. Let's get in there though. This is the spot that I wanted to come to, and it's only about a 4-minute walk from the parking lot, and it's just super, super beautiful. I mean, come on. So I'm gonna hang out here for a bit. I'm on like the boat port, but it's not active right now. People take kayaks and everything off of here, and if it was active and people were using it a lot, you can just walk another minute around the path, and there's a ton of rocks on the water that you can hang out on and shoot from. I did that last year, so this is gorgeous. The sun is going down in the next hour, and just beautiful. I'm just gonna enjoy this nature, take a few photos, and get the drone up as well, I think. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get the drone up. So that about does it for today's video, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I really enjoyed being out here in Groton State Forest in Vermont during the autumn time. It's beautiful here. Autumn is my favorite season here in Vermont to celebrate, and it's been great. So like I said, moving forward, expect to see a lot more from me. So if you are subscribed to me, look out for that, and I want to thank you for subscribing. It really means a lot to me. And if you're new here, you can feel free to subscribe. I'm not going to make you do anything, but it would mean a lot to me. got a lot of cool stuff planned and a lot of cool stuff on my channel already, so feel free to check that out if you'd like. People seem to like it. I just surely enjoy making it, so if you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comments. I will be sure to get back to you. Absolutely, I get back to all my comments and questions. And if you're interested in any of the gear that I use in this video, check out the description. There'll be plenty of affiliate links down below with the camera and the drone and microphone and all that. So, I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a good night.